back to the channel. I'm going to try to do a real-time snow blowing video, not setting up for drone shots, to see how long it really takes me to blow my driveway. And the GoPro 360 Max camera is the best camera to use to do this, because I can edit it. I don't have to set up cameras. I'll just let it play. Just let it record, and I'll edit it. I don't have to fly a drone. That takes time. Set up cameras on a tripod. We'll just let the GoPro camera run in the cab. Just went over some bump there. I don't know what that was. You know, I think that bump was a crack in the a frozen spot in the sidewalk. Setting up to blow this. Okay, let's kick it up. I'll run it at 2,500 RPM. I'm not going to run it at 2650. Because I have a snow shovel. I have a snow shovel in the 3-point hitch on the back of the tractor, and I'm worried it's going to stick out beyond the tire and scratch one of my vehicles. Drive. Only the rear wheels are working. Don't have it in all-wheel drive. I'm gonna idle it down a little bit because I'm blowing the snow all over. Is my son's truck isn't here, so I can do where he parks. My car is in the driveway because the Ranger is in its spot. I have to mount some side view mirrors on it. 40s, a couple days in the 50s. The snow melts, and then we get snow last night, about 3 inches, another couple today during the day, and we're back to snow blowing. But I may do some, get the Ranger out with a log splitter and split some wood this weekend. Maybe Saturday. Should be able to pull, the Ranger should be able to pull the log splitter around. Probably only 6 inches of snow on the lawn. And look at that. I do, even in the daytime, I have the strobe on in the tractor. And I do have the work lights on so people can see me. I did not put the tractor flashers on. Pretty fast. The driveway is just about done except for my car and truck is. Let's hit the sidewalks. Let me hit my front walk. I've been praying for peace this week. Actually, probably for the last month. Peace in Europe. I always worry that people are going to get the misconception that I think that I'm more religious than other people. I absolutely do not. Actually, I don't think I'm religious at times. But I do believe in God. I do believe in prayer. And I've been praying for our soldiers and peace and the people in Europe and the Ukraine. And I'm sure many of you are too. I have no doubt about that. Brave. Are those Ukrainians brave? Wow. Boy. During the winter, when I'm doing this front walk, I really don't care if I go on my lawn. It really doesn't damage it. If it does damage it, usually it's fixed. It rights itself by the time of my first mowing. So there's very little tractor damage on my walk. From blowing snow. Not an easy walk. I thought these design ES pattern would be interesting on the sidewalk, but I'm right on the lawn now. And it's frozen, so I really am not overly concerned about it. Then I hit it when I pull out. Again, another pass. I'm not going to move the truck, but I'm going to move my car. Wow, 11 minutes, 40 seconds. That was fast. Okay, we're back on the tractor. I use a clothesline clip underneath the PTO button to raise it up so I don't have to reprogram the tractor so it doesn't shut off when I reverse with the PTO on. And a viewer gave me that recommendation. My first year I think I had my channel, and boy do I owe you a big thank you. I don't remember who it was, I thanked them at the time, but I think that's a great solution, simple solution that has worked. This might be the 4th year I've had this tractor. Blowers bob on a little bit. This concrete is grippy, but I'm also wondering if it's and there I did my driveway, but that's just one spot. I don't think the shovel's overhanging. Squeeze. Scalp the lawn a little bit. Body Shop did a great job on my car after I was rear-ended. I have to do a follow-up video on that. So Marauders, thank you for coming back to the channel. This was a quick video. I hope you can see in real time when I'm not flying a drone. I think this was an accurate representation how I clean up, how long it takes me to clean up my driveway when I don't have a drone in the air or setting up cameras. I actually think, if you can see it, I'll rotate with the 360 camera, but it looks great. And that's, I think I finished the main driveway before I moved my car and did the sidewalk in under 12 minutes. So, and that does not include shoveling. So that's pretty good time. And I can't complain about that. And that's it, I'm done. Thank you for coming back to the channel. And let's hope or pray for peace around the world, especially in the Ukraine. And I hope all of you are doing well and healthy. Let's respect each other. Shut my lights off. And I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you and God bless. Tractor did a great job. Take care. Thank you for watching my, truly appreciate your support. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm very humbled by your viewership and those of you who subscribe.